should be my first video on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be giving you guys a breakdown analysis on USD and GBPUSD. So today is Sunday, the 8th of June. So now we are looking at GBPUSD. What I see here is an uptrend. You can go back to the 1 day time frame as the daily time frame. You can see that GBP has been in all-time highs for like days now. You can see here. Let me demonstrate it. Yeah, price has just been going up, and respecting the zone, and then boom. Now we're looking at just this trend. So now I'll head down to my 4-hour time frame to look more deep into it. So now, as you can see, this is the only region I'm looking at. Just this full region, the price. Yeah. So that's what we're looking at today. The market is going to open up tomorrow, but I'm doing my breakdown analysis today and see what it does to me. So I'm going to be sharing it with you guys to watch. So now, this is what I see. This is a previous high from last week. So this is what I see. I'm an SMC trader. So now, as you can see, this is what price is doing, and this is where price stopped. Price stopped here at this point. So now I think this market is just simple, because price will continuously go. It will continuously go up. That's what we're looking at. It will continuously go up. So we're going to put limits. I don't advise us to put our stop loss at the bottom of our zone, because price might likely go liquidate up to the bottom of that zone and then reverse. So I put my stop loss a little bit lower than my zone, you understand, so as not to get stopped out from the market. So now I'll drop on a second video how this trade ended up. I guess tomorrow on Monday I'll drop a second video about this trade, so you guys can see how I trade. And there are other things to look for, like break of structures and the rest. Because now, if I'm looking at this trade, I can see a break of structure here on the upside. This was the recent high, but price broke this structure. Now, see, this was a break of structure. Yeah, this is a break of structure. And this was the candle that formed the break of structure. This was the candle. So if I saw this market earlier, I would have entered from the candle that made the break of structure. So I would have entered from here. As the market broke structure to the upside, it reversed down to the candle that broke the structure. So now I'll trade directly from the other block that caused the break of structure to the previous high that it made. So you can see. And now hit TP. That's for, I guess, Friday evening. Yeah, it should have happened Friday evening. I'll trade from the other block that caused the break of structure with a fair value gap. And I'm also going to make a video about how to spot break of structure, perfect break of structures, for you to make nice entry and exit points for your trades. Now, this is a nice trade, and I'm also going to be waiting for price again for this week's trade, for price to tap into this zone. This zone that I drew. Price must tap in to this zone before we're going to be looking for buys. We're going to be continuing the buy because I guess that's what I know that's what's going to happen in this trade. So I'm going to end this video here now, and I'll make another video about the same trade, about how this my analysis went, so you guys can see. So if you like this video and want more of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.